In an era where manufacturers usually chase peak horsepower numbers to win the spec sheet war, TVS has played a different game with the 2025 Apache RTR 310. They didn't bore out the cylinder. They didn't strap on a bigger turbo. Instead, they looked at the naked street fighter segment and asked a dangerous question. What if we gave it the brain of a superbike, but kept the heart beating at 312cc? This is the 2025 TVS Apache RTR 310, and this is a masterclass in perfecting the details. At a glance, the silhouette looks familiar. The aggressive stance, the upswept exhaust, the muscular fuel tank. The street fighter DNA is intact. But look closer. The 2025 model introduces a layer of visual sophistication. The transparent clutch cover isn't just a gimmick. It showcases the mechanical ballet within. The aluminum knuckle guards add a supermoto-inspired rigidity that was missing before. But the real premium flash comes from the sequential turn indicators, a feature usually reserved for luxury German sedans, now standard on an Indian naked. And while you might miss it with the naked eye, the rear sprocket has lost 4 teeth, now matching the RR 310N's gearing. This isn't just a parts bin special, it's a fundamental shift in how power is laid down. Step inside the cockpit, and the evolution is undeniable. The 5-inch TFT display has graduated to a Gen 2 interface. It's not just a screen, it's the command center. Multi-language support, turn-by-turn navigation, and race telemetry are all housed here. But the hardware is only half the story. The software is where TVS has unleashed the hounds. With the optional Dynamic Pro Kit, the RTR 310 evolves into a digital beast. A 6-axis IMU unlocks cornering ABS and cornering traction control, a level of electronic intervention that was unheard of in this price bracket just 2 years ago. And for the first time in the segment, keyless ignition. It's a quality-of-life feature that changes your relationship with the start button. Power figures remain static at 35.6 PS and 28.7 Nm, but numbers lie. The feeling is entirely different. TVS introduced torque filtering and drag torque control. In plain English, the old bike was a bit hangry in traffic. It wanted to go fast, always. The 2025 model has learned manners. It hooks up with Michelin Road 5 tires, a sticky dual compound masterpiece that laughs at wet paint and cold tarmac. However, physics is a hard teacher. The aggressive street fighter stance means cornering clearance is still a compromise on the racetrack. You will scrape the feelers before you run out of tire grip. But on the road, the optional fully adjustable KYB suspension soaks up the rough stuff, making this a genuine daily rider, not just a weekend toy. This brings us to the cognitive dissonance of the 2025 RTR 310, the price. At the entry-level price of roughly Rs 2.4 lakh, this motorcycle is a steal. You get the performance, the looks, and class-leading features like cruise control on a naked bike. But tick every box on the BTO menu. Add the adjustable suspension, the brass-coated chain, the IMU, and the keyless fob, and you are looking at over Rs 3 lakh. That places it above the KTM 390 Duke, a bike with a larger engine and sharper track DNA. So who is this for? The RTR 310 is for the technocrat, the rider who wants a heated seat. Sorry, TVS removed that. The rider who wants a keyless start, a quick shifter, and IMU-driven safety nets without moving up to a 700cc parallel twin. The 2025 TVS Apache RTR 310 isn't about raw horsepower. It's about horsepower management. It's TVS proving that they understand the modern motorcyclist wants a bike that talks to their phone, protects them from a high side, and looks killer doing it. It's not the fastest in a straight line, but it might just be the smartest. What do you think? Is the tech worth the premium, or is the base variant the real hero? Tell us in the comments. And for the algorithms of YouTube, hit subscribe.